Alright guys, finally got my bub over here, ready to hit the road on this thing that I just slapped together. About to take it on its first major adventure, head into the Brownhelm High School, old historical high school. From there, probably head out to Mill Hollow. First, gotta stop at the gas station, get these things filled up with some go-go juice, and hit the road with this thing and hope for the best. We made it, y'all. No problems whatsoever. This thing shakes and bakes, man. This thing makes more noises than a trash truck going down the road, but she seems to roll pretty good. No generator light come on, no oil light. So, and she's got oil, so we take it, we're good. We're about to stay here for a little bit, over here at the Brownhelm School, old shack, and then probably head to Mill Hollow. All right, see y'all in a bit. Of course it was going too good to be true. Now it's not charging, we don't think. Bud, pop that up. So, push that button. So yeah, it lights up red saying it's still dead, but we don't have a generator light on. So yeah, we're probably going to cut this little trip short, head on back to the house, and see what the hell's going on with it. But yeah, just a typical Ironhead. Alright, tried to fix the charging issue with it. What better way to test it other than driving it at night with all the lights on, right? So yeah, we made it over here to the park, and she's still not charging. I've just polarized it and everything. It only charges at like a real high RPM, so I don't know what's going on with that, but I don't know. It's been getting them around all night, so it's been treating us good. So yeah, got to sort that out and see what's going on. Like I said, just order an alternator for it or something like that and get that thing straight. But yeah, we out here cruising tonight. All right, guys, we'll see y'all. All right, guys, back out here again with this hillbilly. Beautiful out today. Figured I'd take advantage of it, messing with this old trusty Suzuki 1980 250T. I think that's what it is. Like I said on my last video, my son video, it's after 30 years. This thing is beyond bad. I couldn't believe it's actually, the motor's freed up, it breaks over. That's awesome. We can start from there. So I went through the wiring. Seems to be all right. The spark plug wires are all busted up. I know they're probably going to arc all over the place. Just hooked the battery up to it and the dash lights came on. Super stoked about that. So I took the filter out. There was literally a mouse nest, huge mouse nest in there, 3 mice and all the babies. I had to evict them out of there because I got to get this thing running. Threw them in the field. So about to hit this thing with some starting fluid and crank her over for the first time and see what we got going on. All right, let's hope she don't blow up. Sorry about the wind, guys. Metric bikes. All right, guys, it's hard to film and everything. I'm not gonna leave it sit there and do a time lapse or nothing like that. I'm not no super YouTuber or nothing. So my hillbilly ass is about to get wrenching on it, take these carburetors off, clean it all out. Got to get them freed up. There is no throttle or anything like that. I'm gonna rig up some type of throttle. Dude, I'm super stoked. This is awesome. Yeah, this might be the trail beater though, because I don't think I'll ever get the turn signals and stuff working on anything on this. I don't know, I'll chop it up and see what the hell happens. But I'm about to rip these carbs open, clean them out. I'll give you guys a little film of that too as soon as I get them off. I bet they're terrible, but awesome. See you guys here in a bit. All right. Yeah, they're not looking too good, but I've seen plenty worse. Honestly, it ain't that bad. Ultrasonic clean it, she'll be good. Played hell getting that air box out, my lord. I gave her some of that chop method, which came right out. I wasn't arguing with that. I'd have to take the whole back fender off and everything. Yeah, the bowls, they're dirty, but like I said, it ain't that bad. I've seen way worse. So I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, slap it all back together, and hopefully she'll idle. I mean, hopeful wishing, right? Alright, so after cleaning the carb out and everything, the O-ring, this thing was seized in there with a death grip. I could not get that thing out, so I had to go ham on her and tear her up a bit. But yeah, I tried like hell. I had a whole bunch of O-rings laying around. Of course, pack rat me, I always got something, just gotta find it ordeal. But I pulled these out and I replaced them. They fit good. I had this one, I didn't gnarl that one up, and it looked pretty much the same, but it's not, so I'm gonna have to pull that out because that's got a different depth for the needle seat. So I just want it to be correct. So I'm going to have to clean this up the best I can. God, they were so bad. So I'm going to try to clean that up, slap these back in there, put the carburetors back together, thank God, because it's nice out. And, well, it's getting dark out now, so no time to fool with it right now. But, yeah, I'll get back to this Suzuki. We'll get it fired up again. Hopefully get it down the road. I'm hoping. I got a battery on the way. I already got a battery in it. One of them camo cameras that you get at Walmart battery, 12 volt. I mean, for a little motor like that, I usually just keep them around to start little 110cc Chinese bikes clients bring over. So I slapped it in that, and I don't want to end up killing that battery and tearing it up and all that for nothing. So I'm trying to get that going. The red 78, I think it's a 78 Suzuki 252 stroke. No spark. A points tip is broke off. I know that wouldn't be it. If you even gap it right, you should still get some type of spark in there. So I cleaned the stator up as best as I can. I got to get the Phillips screws off there so I can just pull that whole assembly off, clean that all up, slap it back on, see what we got with that. Hoping to get spark in that thing because that thing would be sick. And like I said, I think I could track down the title for that. So, yeah, I know it's been a while since I threw a video up there, but I've been so busy with everybody's toys, and buddy brought some chainsaws over. I was fixing those all up for him for a tree service. So, yeah, I'll get back to doing all this madness over here and get this all slapped together, and then we'll see what comes of it in the morning. All right, stick around, y'all. Yo, what's up, y'all? Got the carburetors cleaned out, just hooked the gas tank and everything back up. Turn the gas on. Of course, the floats on one of them stick. I got to order some float jets. And yeah, but she's getting fuel, I guess. I cleaned the jets out, the pilot jet and the idle jet as best as I could. They got some air going through them, so I take it they'll get some fuel through them. But yeah, we're about to fire this thing up now and see what happens. She did show signs of life on the last clip. There we go. 1 second. I'll give her some motivation juice. Well, you did hear her start a little bit. This is real, raw, uncut goodness. So we're gonna give you video number 2 after this. All right, see y'all. Not everything goes as planned, right? How you like that, y'all? She's ready for Sturgis. She's only running on one cylinder most of the time, so we're going to call her a single cylinder Sally, but look at that. Give her a quick tug. Yeah, that other cylinder comes to life when she wants. But I'll get her running on both here in a bit. What's up, everybody? Out here just messing with this little Suzuki GS250T. Got her running pretty good. The carburetors, of course, constant velocity. The old air filter was real restrictive, so I threw some shop rags on the back of her to equal her out. Runs like a champ, taking it down the road, doing 55, almost 60 on the thing, but it doesn't have good tires. They're dry rotted to shit. I just threw air in them. I don't want to end up dying on this thing, so yeah, brought her back home. She's a little rough. She's a roughie for sure. I'm gonna clean her up right now and see what comes of her, but let's say this is the before. So yeah, I'm gonna clean her up. I'm probably just gonna make this thing a little off-road toy instead of fighting for a title for it. Yeah, I don't want to fool with no damn title for this thing. It wouldn't be worth it. I got too many other bikes, and I can just go get another decent one or something like that. But this thing would be fun out in the woods, cruising with the four-wheeler. All right, see what comes over, guys. Beautiful fall day. My God, can't ask for more out here in Ohio. So yeah, got her all cleaned up. Looking pretty decent. Hold on, camera's messing up. There we go. Tried to clean that chrome back up. Chrome get you home. I hate all them black bikes nowadays. Seems like everybody's got one, so I like to keep it a little bit different. I'm gonna take these turn signals off. I got the chrome fender for the front. I gotta clean the forks up and everything. They busted the front mounts off right there. Yeah, she's all busted up. Same with that one. But yeah, I'll figure something out. Throw it on there and maybe some JB weld. Make them never come off again. Yeah, she came together pretty decent. I got some filters. I just now ordered some filters on the way. Some Chinese ones. So it's going to be a while till they get here. I know we'll have snow on the ground. But hell, I'd take this thing out. I'm thinking about trying to find a front tire for it, a knobby. Hell, the back one ain't bad. I mean, you could play in the dirt with it. Hell yeah. Pretty much got a little bike show going on here. Got my son's Harley out here, my Kawasaki LTD 454, the Suzuki GT 250T, my dad's Heritage out here. His check engine light's coming on. He replaced the regulator rectifier thing on it. I told him if it ain't overcharging, it probably ain't that, but he replaced it. He still got the check engine light on. Alrighty, y'all. I just want to say thank you so much for sitting here watching this stuff. Like I said, I know I'm just some hillbilly in the backyard throwing some bikes together. You guys got better YouTube videos to watch than me, so I truly appreciate it so much. And like I said, I always got projects going on, so bit back on over to the channel and check out what else is stewing. Take care now, guys.